Yeah, y'all been asking for this one, man. For months on months, I've been scouring the internet trying to find the piece they called the old blockchain by King Von. Unfortunately, when you searched in the past, you'd find this. Some shit you'd see your girl wear, and we're not down with it. Or are we? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Anyway, boys, today's the day. I finally found it. Now that it's in my possession, I feel a little weird about this, talking about an old blockchain. I just gotta put it out there right now. I feel like nobody wants to see some Canadian kid YouTuber who's in fact a puss reviewing an old blockchain that he knows nothing about, you feel me? So I'm gonna be respectful on this one, boys. The life I haven't lived, nor a life that I could handle living. You know, it's a tough life, so I'm gonna be good with this one. Anyway, back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Insecurity spilling through. First things first, boys, we see the channel's got a little less views right now. I made a pact to you guys that I'm gonna quit my addictions. That's gotten us to this point. I'm being super honest and vulnerable right now. If you guys also want to help me out, bring up these views so we can do cooler videos and stuff. Keep in mind, NameBran's gonna make this super sick. All you guys gotta do is just thumbs up, comment down below to get us back in the shared feed, you know what I mean? I've been acting an ass for way too long, says my mom. Forever. She's said it forever now. I made her a promise. I'm not gonna be stupid anymore. So anyway, your support's awesome. One more big announcement actually to you boys. Freaking mystery boxes are finally coming. My first ever mystery box is within the next week. You're gonna find custom NameBran merch on there, not this, some cooler stuff. You're also gonna find chains in your mystery box. We'll talk about that later, but hopefully you guys are stoked for that. Just want to let you know. Now, these things might sell out. There's not many of them, and they're gonna be coming in a second. I'm very excited. So anyway, with that being said, let's get into the chain, boys. It's freaking, what is it, Wednesday right now? I feel like everyone's doing something on Wednesday, you know what I mean? If you're not working, you're humping your girl or something. I don't know, it's hump day. It's a hump day joke. Get into the chain. Let's get into the chain. After this quick ad by me. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Me. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry, as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Quality's not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, NameBranFam.com. Boys, you know brands for the family. Brands for the boys, and that's why NameBran Fam is a thing. Wow, thank you so much to NameBranFam.com. Now let's get into this real quick. So here it is, boys. To be honest, I already did unbox it like from the packaging because the packaging didn't say where it's from. I haven't actually looked in this yet, but I needed to know that it was from Hello Ice, not sponsored. Shoot. Told myself I wouldn't give freebies on the channel anymore. I could be making a lot of money off this, but hey, man. I didn't actually think about that at all. Anyway, I haven't looked in this yet, but I needed to see it was from the company that I bought it from. So, without further ado, here's the King Von piece, boys. First off, I do want to ask you guys, this is kind of room for conversation as we open this. Keep forgetting this thing doesn't work. Okay, let's go. They got the cool packaging here. Room for conversation. Be honest down below. When King Von passed, did you know about him before or after, and are you a fan now, or what is it? Because I'll be honest with you guys, a lot of you guys, when I hit you up on DMs, always come at me with questions like this, of like, what do you think about this rapper? I told you guys when he had unfortunately passed away. I'd known about him for like 6 months, and unfortunately when it happens, you hear so much more about people once they actually pass away, and you really dive into their music because everyone's playing it now. I became more of a fan then personally when he passed away, which absolutely sucks, but I mean, it's a way of life, honestly. I mean, if I die tomorrow, everyone's gonna be watching my YouTube videos. It's kind of how it works. I'm personally a huge fan of his music now, though, and I sometimes feel guilty that I didn't give him that chance before it hit the fan, literally, you know what I mean? Well, not literally, but I don't think that happened. No jokes in this topic. I'm just curious to hear what you guys think about Von down below. There's no doubt in my mind that you gotta at least love one song. The dude was very talented. I just want to put that out there with the video. Another reason I haven't really done any King Von videos, because, you know, before he passed, like I said, I'd heard of him, but I wasn't a big fan, you know what I mean? So to show the respect to the people that really loved him to death and stuff like that, you wait a little bit. But now, once somebody's passed, I feel no guilt putting up unboxings talking about them, because if I can make some videos that some major fans can watch online about this artist, like I do with X, because I was a huge fan forever, I'm gonna do it. So anyway, that's just a little conversation I have here, boys. I'm sweating to death. Hottest day in the world right now. I mean, this is Canada, boys. I'm not used to this. Freaking, I go butt naked, but apparently that's not allowed on YouTube. Pause. Anyway, boys, let's get into this piece. Hello Ice, King Von, first ever, as far as I know, replica of the old blockchain. Y'all been looking for it, man. Back to the jokes. Now, can I joke on videos like this? I don't know, I'm really trying to be cool with y'all, you know what I mean? A little more respectful. No jokes, maybe no jokes this video. No, a couple jokes. Don't get at me and, you know, we're talking about some devastating stuff and I'm still cracking wise ones, but I mean, at my dad's funeral, I did his eulogy and the whole thing was a comedy skit. I went up there like I was in front of a 20,000 crowd audience waiting for me to take it seriously and I didn't. Anyway, that's just the way I handle things. I do want to be respectful in this video though, man. Anyway, without further, let's go. First off, first key scenario here, I don't know what that means. She's a heavy piece. Boys, Hello Ice does not sponsor this, so I shouldn't say this, but I will. They put out some quality stuff, man. I'm just saying it for the boys. I really gotta hit them up. First off, it comes with this crappy little chain. You can have a better one on the website. You gotta pay more. This, you guys are looking at it first. I'm looking on camera with you. Is the first replica, god damn, O-block chain. So his was clearly bigger. I think if I'm correct, he bought his whole crew some or somebody did. They all had smaller ones, but he had the bigger one. So I'd say this is maybe the replica of the smaller ones. But boys, as you can see, there's the O-block focus, man. I gotta flip out. Goddamn camera. I've got 3 in my room that are new and I don't know how to use them yet. So I'm still using the old one, but it's starting to piss me off a little bit. Chill, man. All right, we're back. Boys, there's your O-block piece right there. I mean, I think they absolutely killed it. On the back, there's no engravings. I know Vaughn's, I think, definitely had engravings. I didn't do any research before this video. I'm just trying to think off my dome of what I've seen in the past. I've got weird picture, what's it called when you know things by picture? Photographic memory, except it never helped me in school, because I I only remember things you like don't need to actually know in life. Like photographic memory of like when I saw my first Sasquatch, you know what I mean? Like to the day I can still like see that in my mind. Anyway, back to this. Absolute beauty. I don't really know what you want me to tell you about it. I mean, the bezel's big enough to put a chain around. I'm actually curious who's gonna wear this damn thing. I think it's really disrespectful to wear an O-block chain when you're not, you know, going through the struggles that a lot have living in O-block. But I mean, maybe if you're a massive fan of King Von and you want to support that way, that's super cool, I guess. You know what I mean? But I'm definitely not gonna be wearing this, boys. I'll tell you right now, 1,000 thumbs up at the end of the day, I'll give this away, no problem. But there she is. It's a cool piece for sure, man. I'm glad to finally bring this to you. Now we're just gonna diamond test it real quick. Why? Because it doesn't ever usually pass, but sometimes it does. And if it does, we got a good excuse for you guys to big flex a little more. You know what I mean? Shoot. Yeah, no, this is dead. We're not diamond testing it. Sorry, I just had a date with my bong a second ago, so I don't really know what's going on right now, but you know, promote it. But you know, I'm just cool with keeping this simple right now, is I guess what I'm saying. Date with a bong. Oh, lame as hell. I suck. Fortunately, no diamond tester, but it's not moistenite. I'll just tell you right now, chances are it wouldn't have passed. There she is. I mean, what do we do these videos for, boys? Me to talk about stories and talk about things, or you actually want to see the product? I know I drag these out so much because I'm a huge talker and I talk to you guys like you're sitting right beside me. That's my point of it. But a lot of people are like, man, you didn't need like an 8-minute video, 10-minute video over a piece because you talk the whole time. That's my bad, boys. Maybe I gotta quit unboxing and just start storytelling, talking to people. You know what I mean? I'm missing that a little bit. COVID's killing me a little bit, as everyone else. You know, that stuff is like driving me nuts. I can't talk to people, but I can talk to you guys and I respect it a lot. Brad, you gotta quit the bong too, apparently. Absolutely RIP to Vaughn. Sad situation anytime, no matter how bad things are doing or good things are doing, any sort of DEAF, death, is a sad thing, man. And yeah, anyway, there's a chain. Cool piece. Appreciate y'all for watching Merc of the Game. The greatest of all time, y'all the goats, man. New mystery boxes coming soon. Look out for it. Like I say, we don't have many. They're gonna sell out. Boys, bye.